If you keep waking up between 2 and 3 a.m. and your mind constantly turns on, then this video is for you. This is part 2 of the sleep series. Stay tuned after the video for a full series breakdown to get the best sleep of your life. In this quick video, we're taking a look at why waking up around 2 and 3 a.m. isn't random. It's not just bad sleep. It's often caused by a nervous system, stress hormone, or blood sugar issue. And once you understand why it's happening, fixing it becomes much easier. Let's break this down simply, and then I'll show you how to fix it naturally. This is Dr. CeCe. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, cortisol spike, the stress hormone. Your cortisol should be lowest at night and rise gradually in the morning. But if you're under chronic stress, overtraining, undereating, or overstimulated, your cortisol spikes too early, waking you up between 2 and 3 a.m. Signs this is you are you wake up alert or anxious, with racing thoughts and can't fall back to sleep. Reason number 2, blood sugar drops. If your blood sugar drops during the night, your body releases adrenaline and cortisol to compensate. That sudden hormone release equals instant wake up. Common causes include skipping dinner, low carb or very late night meals, and alcohol before bedtime. Reason number 3, sympathetic nervous system dominance. If your body is stuck in fight or flight mode, it doesn't fully enter deep sleep. Between 2 and 3 a.m. is when the body naturally becomes lighter in sleep. So if your nervous system isn't calm, you wake up. This is common in high achievers, caregivers, people with chronic pain, or anyone under long-term stress. Reason number 4, poor breathing or sleep positions. Mouth breathing, snoring, or neck compression can activate the nervous system at night. Restricted airflow equals stress signal to the brain. Forward head posture, poor pillow height, or sleeping curled tightly can contribute to this. Here's the fix, and this is the important part. First, stabilize blood sugar by eating a protein and healthy fat snack before bed, like Greek yogurt, nut butter, eggs, or cottage cheese. Avoid alcohol late at night and no sweets, especially chocolate or ice cream. 2, calm the nervous system before bed with 2 to 5 minutes of slow nasal breathing with extended exhales. I like 4-7-8 breathing. This technique involves inhaling for a count of 4, holding the breath for a count of 7, and exhaling for a count of 8. This technique helps to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. You can start with 2 to 5 minutes of this just before bedtime. You can also use this breathing technique throughout the day, especially during stressful moments. And, of course, no stimulating content right before bed. 3, support your neck and breathing. Be sure you're in a neutral neck position with a pillow that supports your cervical curve. And try nasal breathing or mouth tape if appropriate. 4, reduce cortisol spikes by avoiding overtraining late at night. And get morning and day sunlight if you can. At least 20 minutes is recommended. Lastly, create a consistent sleep-wake cycle by going to bed and waking up at about the same time every day. If you're waking up at 2 to 3 a.m. consistently, your body is trying to communicate with you. It's not malfunctioning. Fix the signal and sleep follows. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of the sleep series. Videos drop weekly. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more posture perfect videos. This is Dr. CeCe. See you next video.